everyone, myself Jasprit Kaur, and today we will discuss about the trigonometry. There are lots of formula, so to understand them and to learn them, it's a very difficult task. Now, let us take a method so that it will be an easier way to learn the formulas. Now, with the help of this diagram, we can easily learn these formulas. Or one can say we can derive these formulas. This is tan theta, this is cot theta. Because reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, so reciprocal will be written in front of them. So sin theta, reciprocal of cosec theta. Cos theta, reciprocal of sec theta. So in this way we can draw a diagram. Now let's derive the formulas. First of all, we will move in a clockwise direction. So tan theta will be sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta will be cos theta upon cot theta. So we will move in a clockwise direction firstly, after that we will move in a anti-clockwise direction and we will derive the formulas. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, sin theta that will be cos theta upon cot theta. Cos theta that will be cot theta upon cosec theta. Now cot theta that will be cosec theta upon sec theta. Now cosec theta that will be sec theta upon tan theta. Sec theta that will be tan theta over sin theta. So in this way we can derive the sec formula. Now with a clockwise direction. Now we will move in an anti-clockwise direction. That is in this way. Now tan theta here will be sec theta upon cosec theta. Sec theta that will be cosec theta upon cot theta. Cosec theta that will be cot theta over cos theta. Cot theta that will be cos theta over sin theta. Cos theta that will be sin theta over tan theta. Sin theta that will be tan theta over sec theta. So in this way we will derive these 12 formulas with a very easy manner.